As you can see, they're out here waiting for me to feed them. So let me get their foods together. And please join me on my journey to feed the cats in my community. These are cats across the street in the abandoned house next door. So I'm going to go out and go get them some food. Some wet and dry food right now. Hopefully my cats don't knock over my thing here. My camera. Get away. Get away, Cloud, from my camera. Because I know you want to try to knock over my camera. And let me go and see these guys and get some wet food together for them. Oh, God. Relax now, because now you're going to start going crazy. My cats act like they haven't eaten in ages, and when they hear wet food open up, they go crazy. I'm going to open it up in front of them, because they get crazy. And Lucky seems to be eating up this cat food for some reason. He likes this one better. I don't know why, but let me put some in his bowl. Okay. Okay, Lucky. Let me try to get something for you over here. So just getting the water together. You like that one better, Lucky? Because you look like you're really hungry. I got every... Ah, Bear! 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 Get away from there. Get away from the camera. Okay. Trying to skip. You need to get over. And come on, get away. Cloud, come on, get off of this so I can try to feed. You're in the wrong spot right now. Okay. Here. Here. Here, Lucky. Come on over here, Lucky. You want to get this food? Come here, Lucky. Here, Lucky. Here, Lucky. Come on, Lucky. Come on, Lucky. Okay, got the fighting. Now I'm getting ready to get out there and get these guys some food and water. Stop fighting now. These guys are fighting too much. You're going crazy now. Because I'm opening this up not for you guys, for them outside. So let me hum, 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 hum. I'm going to hum because they're smart. When they hear this, they'll start going crazy and act like they haven't ate in a lifetime, which these guys eat very well. And I'm going to walk across the street now because I got my food together and my water and the wet food and the water. And I'm going to go and feed now. So watch me go outside, guys. Get ready to feed. Hopefully I don't fall. I know it's really cold out here. hopefully you can see the guys coming out to eat. So anyway, just candy food and throw it away. Okay guys, there's nothing in here for you. It's only for the guys. So now you might see them. See the gold ones over there eating now. He came out waiting for the other ones to come and eat. So I'll leave you guys here for a minute. See who all comes out to come and eat today. Okay, come on down. Get down. Get down, get down. Why are you itching? These guys are going to take a bath, huh? I mean, why it's a little warm, I'm going to give these guys a bath, okay? Now, where's the other cat at? He should be coming down. The gold one's eating. You can see the gold one is eating. Here comes the other one. That's the gray one coming down. Where's the big boy? I'm getting some water too. Water's kind of cold, I know. But at least they're eating. That's my goal for my babies outside to eat. It's really super freezing out there. Oh, why are you up here? I'm going to wash these dishes and get it out of the way so I finish cleaning up. So I gotta go to work. That's to go to work. If anyone out here who's a cat lover like me, if you can please help, look on my Facebook and follow Tender Love and Paws, even on YouTube and Instagram, and you will see my address. And I do have an account set up for my organization, and if you go through PayPal, it goes directly to my bank account, to the organization. $1, $2, anything would help out, please. With my babies out here, anything will help out these 4 babies to get their shots, to get medical attention, to get some extra food, to get some bedding, wood. If anybody can contribute, I will appreciate it, and so will we. Thank you very much, and everybody have a blessed day.